by the CAG tabled in the Parliament serves as a wake-up call to the Indian Navy. It calls for an urgent need for the Navy to step up efforts in expanding its maritime capabilities. Nothing huge in commission of warships leading to inflation in budget by a shocking 200%, which is, the CAG says, is simply unacceptable. This is a Times Now exclusive report.
At a time when Chinese Navy is leaving imprints in the Indian Ocean, the Indian Navy slagging growth has the CAG questioning the Navy.
Shipyards, despite they are owned by the Government of India under MOD, timely action to modernize them by providing funds was not done. In fact, it was done as a part of ongoing projects midway.
According to the CAG, it is not lack of capability, but infighting between the Navy and the shipyards. The CAG alleges that the decline in maritime capability is mainly because of inflated costs of frigates and destroyers, leading to delays in commissioning of warships by almost 10 years.
There are changes in equipment, sensors and weapons. Essentially, all these things led to a fluidity in costs, timelines and responsibility. Absence of a definite plan against which actual progress could be objectively monitored was not there, rendering the monitoring mechanism extremely weak.
The CAG report on the shrinking capabilities on the Indian Navy sounding off a warning that hopefully the Indian Navy will heed to before more damage is done. Bureau Report, Times Now.